Now, COVID zero policy in China is one of the policies that China has been implementing for quite some time. I mean, ever since almost the beginning of the pandemic, China introduced what they so-called the COVID zero policy, which is something that, of course, make most of the cities to go into hard lockdown should they start to see, of course, COVID cases surging, which is the exact same thing that we've been seeing recently in China. I mean, according to Nomura, I seen on the screen, you notice that over 200 million or a couple of millions of people in China are being restricted by the new, of course, COVID cases surges, which we've been seeing in recent days in China. But this, ladies and gents, does have a huge impact on companies that are in China, like NIO, which is one of the stocks that we discuss a lot. Now, the latest news that we just recently received from NIO indicated that there are 85 delivery delays, and this is mainly due to this COVID, which is, we have been seeing cases surging in China. So NIO indicated or released a statement on their app showing or indicating that those that were expecting their 85, it looks like they will be delayed because of COVID, which is something that obviously must just show you the kind of restriction that this COVID policy imposes to the local companies in China, which is something that is not good at all. But as in terms of how NIO will produce or how NIO will announce their deliveries tomorrow, well, I guess it's only a matter of time, as you can't say by how much this COVID impacted or affected the deliveries of NIO for the month of October. But I remain to be positive, bullish, and I personally believe that worst case scenario, we might see NIO delivering not anything less than 11,000 vehicles, which is something that I personally believe that it will still be good, especially knowing that not only was the COVID the main issue this month, but there were also some good long holidays beginning of October in China, which is something that obviously must make you to see the kind of a potential that we might get to see NIO delivering, especially in the coming months, or like in November and December, which we know that obviously maybe in terms of holidays there's not much holidays, but in terms of the COVID, the policies which Chinese government imposed every time they have surging in cases of COVID, one cannot easily tell or say how this will unfold going in the next few weeks or next few months. But one thing for sure is that delivery wise, NIO CEO already assured us a few months ago, and of course before he knew about this COVID, to say that NIO will be producing record-breaking deliveries each and every month in the Q4 of 2022. So we are expecting, or I'm personally expecting, to see NIO, of course, delivering some good numbers from this month going forward, because that's what the CEO told us. But nonetheless, like I said, this month there are issues, or the deliveries, we can easily say that some of the deliveries, though the results are not yet out, were impacted by COVID, were impacted by obviously the holidays. But the 85, NIO indicated that they are experiencing delivery delays due to COVID, which is one of the things that I think as a new investor you should know before we get to see the deliveries of their October month, which is something that I personally believe that most of the retail investors, especially those that are investing onto NIO, are patiently waiting to see as to the kind of deliveries NIO produce for the month of October. Now, we read that NIO will offer NIO credits to those that their deliveries are going to be delayed, or those that will be affected by the delays of their deliveries, which is something that is good, because with the NIO credits you can get, or it comes with a lot of things that you can use them for, which is something that is incredible. Which one of the things is to buy NIO lifestyle products and all those kind of things, which is something that is incredible, and something that obviously must make you to see the kind of commitment NIO is showing to their client. So the ET5 is the model that NIO indicated that it is being delayed in terms of delivery due to COVID in China right now. But this ET5 one thing that really excites me is that it is the vehicle in NIO which is set to do very well. I mean, its pre-orders surpassed all their previous models, and this is the same vehicles that the NIO CEO indicated that by December we should at least, or NIO plans to at least deliver 10,000 vehicles of just this ET5 alone, which is something that shows us, or that must just show you the kind of robust deliveries we are to expect from NIO for the month of December. I think it will be much possible if we don't get to see, obviously, COVID continuing to, of course, affect or have a huge impact on these companies in the next coming months. I mean, I'm very positive, hopeful on this NIO stock to say that they will do very well, and those of you that are loading, increasing the boats onto this stock are definitely going to be rewarded. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I should just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Now, you already know that this video was just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. If you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do by now, and that is you need to go out there and consult the professionals. Otherwise, before you load the boat, increase your holdings onto the NIO stock, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.